Hello! In this video I set up the Canon PIXMA G series CIS USB models. PIXMA models may be called different names in different regions or countries, so here is some info on the screen. I will do the printer setup on G2070 multifunctional series, as it is similar on all three models covered in this video. I will show the following in this video. After unboxing in the previous video, in the upper right corner of the screen, I remove all orange tapes and plug in the printer. I power this printer for the first time. After about a minute, printer will stop making noise, so you can open the cover and install print heads and inks. To fill up the ink tanks as fast as possible, just follow my order, starting with yellow, then cyan and black and magenta for the last one. After a nice slow cover close, press OK button on the operational panel to start initial printer adjustments, which may take about 6 minutes to finish. I put this part into fast forward mode and clean my desk, and then put some paper to the printer, which has only one rear tray. On the screen of all the models, you can select between 4 types of media, where the last type is custom media size. You can preset the media in the media information settings from the computer only. I will install the drivers and show custom media settings in the next video in the upper right corner of the screen. After printer is ready, let me share some useful info. For a test, I copy the document. This time I just made one copy, but if you want to make more copies of the document, then press Start button more times. Here I make 3 color copies. Let's talk also about copy quality. Here is a quick comparison of the color copy and only black ink is pigment and water resistant. If you are looking for a printer with all 4 water resistant colors and high quality business print, then check the review about Maxify GX series. To keep your printer head in good health, always turn off printer correctly. Set auto power off from the driver or press the power button. By default, printer will turn off automatically in 4 hours. In the last part, I cover setting up PIXMA G2030 model, as setup is very similar, only the ink tanks will be half full from out-of-the-box bottles, and there is no display. When print heads and inks are installed, press OK to start 6-minute initial adjustments of the printer. How to copy, print speed and print quality are identical on all covered models. Do not miss the next video where I show the useful printer settings of driver and software and show you how to customize the media selected from the operational panel. And that would be all in this video. Find more about printers on my channel. Feel free to comment, ask questions, give it a like if you found it useful, and subscribe to support my channel as it helps me to grow and create more videos. Thank you for watching and sharing. Bye!